Hi, welcome back to my channel, Pretty Things. This is Renee, and today I am making clustered Christmas ornaments. And you'll need some pipe cleaners. That's what I'm using. You might can use some wire. And I have various ornaments from the gilded pine cones to different clusters. I have some small ornaments and I have some larger ones. Now my tree is black, so that's why I've selected to use the black pipe cleaners. So first of all, I'm going to just start with the pine cones. And I'm just going to attach them on my pipe cleaner. Instead of just hanging one singly by itself, I'm going to cluster these three together. And that's fairly simple, isn't it? I like simple DIYs. And I'm just going to just twist those around. And then later, I'll show you how I hung these on my Christmas tree. So that's one cluster there with the pine cones. And I'm going to make another cluster with the pink and the silver. I have my pipe cleaner. Now some of these are the Dollar Tree ornaments, so I have my glue gun nearby in case this part comes off here, the little topper comes off. So some of these are not as sturdy. I haven't had any problems with it, but okay. Let's try maybe one of these over here. That one didn't want to work for me, but you know what? That's okay. We'll just move on to this one here. So I'm going to cluster the pink one, the gold one, and another pink one. But okay, guys, you get the idea. I'm going to cluster those three together. Gonna move them around. I'll show you. I'll hang them on my tree. Now, you can use the smaller ones, and you might want to use some of the larger ornaments too. So I'm going to go with these three here, and mix in some larger with some of the smaller ones. Well, you see, that's what I was talking about, how some of the toppers will come off. Yeah, so I might have to kind of secure that on with a little glue. I hope this one will work a little better for me. And I tried some of these earlier, so that's why I realized that sometimes the toppers will come off, but I'm not even sure if I got these at the Dollar Tree or not. These might be Walmart ornaments, but nevertheless, some of the toppers will come off, so probably it's a good idea to secure those. So here's another little cluster of ornaments. And if you'll stay with me, guys, I'm going to hang these on my tree so you can see what they look like. I already have my tree up, but I decided to cluster some ornaments. Give this a try. Okay, so this is how this looks. You see, here's one cluster here that I put on early. Now I haven't like secured the strings on there tightly. I was just kind of trying to rush. But this is what they look like. And here's another one with the pine cones. Now my tree is not lit up, so we'll light it and see how it looks all lit up. Okay, folks, now I think that's better. Now you can see how the ornaments look with the tree lit up. So these are my little cluster ornaments, and I just, again, just used the little black pipe pointers. I'm going to secure those on better. So I'm still kind of, my tree's like a work in progress. I'm still working on it. It seems like I go out every week and I find something else that I might want to add to my tree. So, and those are the pine cones or clusters. You can see those. I'm going to be working on some more clusters later on, but I just wanted to show you how those look on a tree instead of just hanging them singularly. You cluster a few together. I think it gives the tree more of a designer look. And as I said, I am going to go back and secure those on a little bit better with my pipe cleaner. Now guys, if you like what you see here, remember to give my video a thumbs up. And if you're not already one of my faithful subscribers, consider pushing that subscribe button to join Pretty Things. And hit the notification bell also so you can get uploads when I have new videos. Thanks so much for watching my video today. And this is part of my vlogging series. And I hope you're having a safe holiday season. I'll see you in the next video.